KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today a nice easy dish. It is my stir-fried noodles with char siu pork and vegetables. Alright, really nice quick one for a midnight week's meal. And of course, if you're a follower of the channel, of course you would know that I make my own char siu pork from time to time. Alright, so quick rundown. I'll make up a marinade or a brine. I inject that into a piece of pork, put that in my smoker for about 4 hours or so, and I have this beautiful authentic flavoured char siu pork. Not done the authentic fashion, of course, but this tastes amazing. If you haven't got that, just go to your local barbecue meat supplier. There's a couple around my area, of course, and you will find one near you as well. Just buy some char siu pork. Alright, here I've got some bok choy, and I've cut up the white parts, the stems, into nice little thin slices. I'm going to stir fry these off for a couple of minutes or so, just to get a bit of colour, a bit of flavour on those. We want to get a bit of a char on there if we possibly can. Alright, so just keep stirring those around and you'll start to see a bit of colour on those in a not very long time at all. Now, bit controversial, I've got 1 can of champignons, right, the whole champignons. I've given those a little bit of a chop just to make them a little bit smaller, and I've thrown those in. Right, it's a little bit different using a canned champignon instead of fresh mushrooms, but it really suits this dish. Alright, so just bear with me. It's a very simple dish, this, and it's very economical. Alright, so now I'm going to put in the green parts of our bok choy. Put that straight in, just like that. And once again, we can just let those sit on top and steam basically from everything underneath. It'll basically take care of itself. I don't really need to do anything with that. Alright, so now I'm going to start getting my flavours together. Teaspoons worth of sesame oil, that's going in. Right, and that sesame oil just gives everything a beautiful smoky flavour. Alright, once again we're going to give that a bit of a stir, get that sesame oil sort of mixed through with everything else in the wok. If you don't have a wok, you can use a fry pan, don't worry about that. Alright, so let that keep going just like that, and the flavourings in this dish are very simple. It's a very light type of dish, and it's really suitable for younger kids that just don't like the spiciness. Right, I'm adding in around about 150 grams worth of thinly sliced char siu pork. Okay, and where I can normally buy my char siu pork, if I am buying it, they say, do you want it chopped? I always say no, I'll bring it home and I'll slice it nice and thin myself. Alright, so just keep stirring that around. A couple of minutes, we're going to add in about a tablespoon's worth of Zhaojing wine, or Chinese rice wine. If you don't, just a dry sherry will do the job as well. But Zhaojing wine is a lot less expensive. Right, once again, get all those flavours mixed together, and I'm going to add in some oyster sauce. Right, and I'm going to add it onto my spoon, and that way we can just stir that through. That's probably about only 2 teaspoons worth in that. It's not a very heavy sauce dish, this particular one. Alright, so just keep stirring that through, and that oyster sauce will mingle with all the rest of our ingredients. Right, just like that. And if you haven't had char siu pork before, why not? It is one of the best flavours in the world. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a bit of heat happening. Mrs. KP has separated some thin Hokkien noodles for me, some egg noodles, and I'm going to add just a little splash of soy, probably about 1.5 tablespoons worth. Give that all a bit of a toss through. As you can see, we haven't added a lot in the way of flavours. It's just a real nice simple dish, and we let each ingredient, you know, sort of sing its own way. A little bit of chicken stock that can go in, probably around about 1/2 cup's worth. Okay, just give all of that a stir through, get all those flavours once again mingling again. Right, really nice and simple so far. I'm going to add in some spring onion, or scallion as some people call it. Some people also call them shallot. Nice and fresh. Just give that all a bit of a stir through, and that's probably going to be the spiciest part of this whole dish. really nice and simple. Okay, so all we have to do now is get ready to plate up. So I'm going to plate this up in a nice big consomme bowl. It's going to present nice, and it's going to eat really nicely as well. Right, so as I said, there you go. You've got KP's stir-fried noodles with char siu pork and vegetables. How easy was that to do? Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please leave a comment. I love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make some pretty easy Asian-ish type dishes just like this one, we need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my stir-fried noodles with char siu pork and vegetables, and I will catch you next time. Bye.